The ghosts of Oscars past is alive and well and totally made a comeback at Sunday's iHeartRadio Music Awards. All right, you guys, I seriously cannot believe this happened again. An award was mispronounced and given to the wrong person. Okay, so this time the award mess-up involved Zayn Malik and Fifth Harmony. So Fifth Harmony won Best Fan Army. Okay, cool. That was well-deserved and correct. Zayn, on the other hand, was awarded Best Music Video for Pillowtalk, which starred his girlfriend, Gigi Hadid. Hold up. Well, wait a minute, I don't think so. Fifth Harmony was actually the real winner of this award. So how in the world did this happen again? This is seriously too good. So the iHeartRadio Twitter account tweeted a big congrats to Fifth Harmony, and the girls were just as shocked and confused as the rest of us. The girl group tweeted, "That face you make when you find out you won Best Music Video at iHeart Awards. Thank you all." And then their partner in crime for the Work From Home music video, Ty Dolla Sign, was beyond lost in this whole shakeup, tweeting, "Wait, we won? Hey, congrats." So then there's the question of Zayn. Does he not get any award? What about that sweet thank you video? Oh, Zayn. Well, don't freak out, you guys. Zayn did end up getting an award, although some people think iHeartRadio made it up to say sorry for the big schmuck up. Zayn won Best Solo Breakout Artist, and some people on social media were, well, freaking confused. It is just one big cluster confusion today. iHeartRadio apologized for the mix-up, and it was kind of a win-win situation for everyone. Am I right? I mean, Zayn won, got his award taken away, then won again, and Fifth Harmony gained an award, taking home 3 iHeartRadio awards for this year. Okay, so award season really needs to be done with for this year. I can't even with this flub, you guys, what do you think about Zayn getting gypped and iHeart pulling a La La Land Moonlight Best Picture Oscars flub? Are you upset Zayn didn't win Best Music Video, or are you ecstatic for 5H? Let me know in the comments below. For more entertainment news, click the boxes and subscribe to Holly Scoop.